The door for here, from our room to the bathroom, is right here. It looks so pretty. Now, also keep in mind that... Hello, everybody. Welcome back to House of Rolle. Today is Monday, October 31st. It is Halloween, and it is 4:39 in the evening. Our apologies. We did not get to post a video yesterday. I was gonna do my best, but y'all, it was just a really eventful weekend. With it being my birthday, and then I had photo shoots, and then I had other things I needed to do. Did I do hair this weekend? Yeah, I did hair this weekend. Just all the things, you know, trying to make sure to get my birthday celebrated with Mike because he was out of town. And then what we did was we went to dinner on Saturday, but I had 2 photo shoots on Saturday, and then dinner was the last thing. And then by the time I was done with that, I just wanted to go home and sit. And then Sunday we had church, and then after church we went to eat to celebrate my birthday. And then we took the kids to the pumpkin patch, and then me and Mike went to the movies to celebrate for my birthday again. So it was just crazy. Friday I did hair. It was just a lot. So my apologies if you're new here. My name is Camille. Mike is actually at work right now, and so he couldn't break away. So it's just me, just get me. So I'm at the house, and I'm gonna go in and give you guys an update on what's happening in the house. I'm not sure if there's a lot of changes or if I'll be able to get in, actually, because they've been locking the garage because we have things in the garage. I might be able to get up there. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna do the best I can to update you guys on what's happening. And if you are new here also, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and we would love to hear from you in the comments below. Okay, I'm gonna get out the car because I have to be home before, we gotta be somewhere at 6 o'clock for the kids. So, okay, I'm getting out, for real. One of the first things that you notice when you pull up to the house is we have brick. Look at all this brick. So, all this brick will be put on the front of the house. And I don't know if, I'm trying to see if I can make sure you guys can see the color. So it's not gonna be this red color. It should be something similar to this. It's called Pearl River from Meridian Brick. Or that's the let's see. That's not the company we ordered from, but I think that's the brand of the brick. So the garage has been locked. Oh goodness, but today it looks like they left it unlocked. Now here's the tricky part. I can only pull it up so far before it automatically rolls all the way up. So now I have to magically crawl underneath here. It's not a lot of area. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to put y'all down. Okay, y'all, I made it in. Whew. Okay, I'm in the garage. This door is still here. I'm assuming they still haven't got the part. This is the wood for like closets and all the details here. Where's that door go to? Here is our, oh, the closet. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was like, where's this door go to? It's the closet door. There's another interior door. And then the trim. And we went, you guys seen that video, but if you're new here, it's like a flat, modern trim. Goodness, these doors are big. This is Aislyn's closet. Okay, and then there's more wood back here for closets. Closets and other shelving, custom built things. And then there's that delivery of all the wood stuff for the closets. This tub is still here. It's still here. I don't know when they're getting it. And then we have more trim. All the trim. Let's see. I don't know what all this stuff is. I guess more pieces that they need for, oh, because they have to build our oven hood. So yeah. I don't know what this is. This doesn't look like anything we've ordered. I don't know why this is here. It's interesting. I'm trying to think of where this could go, but I'm not figuring it out. Maybe it was an accident? I don't know. We'll see. Because all of this was full of cabinetry, and now it's not. So I don't know. I don't know what all of these little pieces are. What is this? I don't know what this is for. Okay, I'm gonna go in now. In the office. So there's a floating cabinet that goes here. And this is it. I went with black. It's a lot of room. Let's see. Here's the door style that we picked. I got this door sitting in here. It's our closet door. And we went with the black fixture thing. Okay, I don't have our cabinets in here. Oh, because they have them in here. That explains it all. You guys, look at our cabinets. And all of these are drawers, which I'm excited about. One of them is slightly bigger than the other. I don't know if you guys can tell. So this one is bigger than this one. So this cabinet is bigger than this one, width-wise. Height-wise, they'll be the same. Width-wise, this has more room. So you can really see it up top, like how big that is, and then how smaller this one is. So in the bathroom, Mike's side. I think Mike's side has more. Mike's side is bigger. Mike's side is bigger. The smaller one goes over here. That's mine. And it's not much difference. It's enough room for what I need. I feel like Mike has more stuff than I do, but if we ever need to change it and flip around, and who knows, by the time we move in, he might be like, take the bigger side and I'll take the smaller side. So let me see how. Yeah. I don't require a lot, y'all, so I think that'll be just fine for me. Yeah. Anywho, neither here nor there. The door for here, from our room to the bathroom, is right here. It looks so pretty. Now, also keep in mind that these will be painted white. I don't know if you can tell. This is white. This is like a, I don't even know what color to describe. It's like a tannish yellow something. I don't know. But it's not white, if you can tell. That's white. That's not white. So they'll be painted white and they'll have like that glossy paint on them. And this is like kind of matte. And then this is our bedroom door. And let's see. You guys. It's not installed, it's just sitting. But this is our island cabinet color. It's so pretty. It almost, I wish you guys could really see it because it looks really dark on camera. It's like a light color. It's so pretty. And let's see. Is this the sink? They must just have this sitting because, yeah, they must just have this sitting and it's not in its rightful spot. Okay, and then here are all the other, this is our exterior cabinet color. So we went with, ooh, look at that drawer. Yes. We did go with the soft close. It's like an off-white color. Okay, this is the one for our cooktop. No, this is not our cooktop. Our cooktop would be up top and then it would have two big drawers. We did select this though. I don't remember where we put this, but we selected it so the whole thing could pull out. There's nothing worse than having to dig all the way in the back of your cabinets. I didn't want to have to deal with all of that. Okay, let me see here, y'all. That's not it. These are uppers. Okay, this is our cooktop one. So the cooktop will go up here. And then underneath the cooktop are two big drawers. This reminds me, I need to schedule the appointment for our hardware. Okay, and then we have a trash can drawer. So this pulls out, and then there's a trash can. I think there's two trash cans in there. I'm scared to move this one. I think there's two. Let me see. Let me see, y'all. Yep, there's two. There's the other one. There's two trash cans in there. I think we did the double. Okay, so this is the island perimeter upper, another upper, what is it? Another perimeter. Yeah, we have cabinets. Looks like they just got as far as putting it in the house. They didn't do anything else. Yay! I love this light. So all of this will be custom built in. We didn't put any cabinets. I don't think we have any. No, I think everything is open in here. Everything's open in here. I'm trying to think of the plan we selected. Hold on, guys. Okay, wait a minute. So I was so distracted by the cabinets that I didn't even realize. Look what's installed. We have this door here. This was not here. So in the garage must be the incorrect pieces. We have a door. We have both of our doors. This door and this door. Wow. So windows, door, door. I'm gonna go down so you guys can see better. Now remember, this door opens to here, but they have this here blocking it. So all these two panels will come here. And then this is the one that opens different ways. Oh my gosh, there's so much light in here. And it is, let's see, $4.59. Okay. Oh, here's Aislinn. Here's Aislinn's door. Okay, here's Aislinn's cabinet. Dang, that girl gonna have a lot of storage. Okay, so here's Aislinn's. So there are 1, 2, 3. Yep, I did the drawers. This was an upgrade, because normally it just would have been a door and a door. Or some people do 2 drawers, I think. But I wanted her to be able to use all of this space in here and then have this, so yeah. And for her cabinetry, we selected the same as what's on our island. Our floors are not too far off from this. And this is the color they will match for the stair rail in the living room. I wish you guys could see it, because it's not as dark as it's looking on camera. But here are the drawers. It's so pretty. This one's my favorite. And then the door that goes in here. Is anything in there? And then this big thing is what will go. It just has one big door? No, it has a big door and then another shorter door. And that goes right there. Bathroom door. I'm scared to move this, but I just have to try. It opened. It's not gonna open all the way. I don't feel like that glides as easy as the other door. Yay! And remember, that won't be there. It'll be open and it'll be a rail. They did get that wire put in for the outlet. Oh my, looks good. Mike didn't even tell me this door was in, unless it wasn't here when he came earlier. One of the things we realized is the opening for the laundry room is wider. I don't know if that's standard, but it's the widest opening in this hallway. This is our closet door, the bathroom door. So if you notice, the panels on this door are bigger. So these are more square. Let me find, it's a pocket door. I think this is probably the closest. These are just a little less square, if that makes sense. And then we went with the flat panel on that. And then that's a little less square. So this door, like I said, will go here, and there'll be a knob here, knob here. We chose that over a large barn door. I just realized I did not see this door. Maybe this is in the garage. Yeah. Mike just told me that we should have our door next week, which is weird because it's not supposed to be here till December. But I don't know if they're bringing both doors or if they're bringing like a temporary door. But I would assume that they would want some kind of a door before they start putting all these cabinets in for protection. Let me see. I think I figured out what this is. It's like, what was that? Okay. I figured out what this is. But I don't know why this is here. I don't think this is right. Yeah, that can't be right. Unless this is how they had to. No, this is not right. We have a double oven. This is the only thing that I can think would require. Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. So I see the drawers. Okay, it's actually upside down. It's upside down. This would be at the top. This would be the oven. And then those would be the 3 drawers underneath the oven. But we have a double oven. So this must be wrong. That's why they didn't take it in the house. Yeah. That must be wrong. And I don't see our pantry door. I don't see our pantry door. Because our pantry door is supposed to be flat panel, and that's not flat panel. So I think our pantry door is either not here or I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna have to call our superintendent to see if they have all of our doors here and what's going on with that kitchen thing. Well, let me make sure before I get all fired up. Yeah, this door is a flat panel door. Yep, nope. We don't have a door for our pantry. Okay, and then that cabinet is wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna call him and check on that. And it is 5:16 and we have to be at our location at 6 o'clock, so I gotta get out of here. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the car in just a second. This is what the garage is looking like. They must be picking this door up. That is it for today's update on the house. From my experience of what I've seen in the neighborhood, once the brick is delivered, it's probably about 2 weeks, between a week or two before they start on it. It doesn't sit longer than 2 weeks, so they could be here tomorrow for all I know. I thought Mike told me they were going to start on the trim and stuff today, but it doesn't look like they got very far outside of putting the doors in the rooms and the cabinets in the rooms they need to go in. And then y'all, these dang bugs. Trim should take about 2 weeks. And yeah, so now all the final details, you guys will start to see some of the selections we've made come together. I'm excited about the cabinets. I love the colors that we picked. It looks good. So I can't wait till the next time where I can show you where it's like the cabinets are together. Yeah. I wonder if Mike knew that door was in and just didn't tell me. So I could be surprised when I came. We were supposed to come together, but the time just did not work out. So I'm gonna get out of here so I can get my little where we need to go on time. And we will see you guys in the next house update. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you comment below. Until next time, peace out.